Are you the type of person who wants all the flavor, taste the alcohol, and you just want everything that has to do with beer? Then definitely check out Imperials. Now, Imperial is not a type of beer, but how the beer has been brewed specifically to get that alcohol higher, 1, 2, 3, sometimes even 4, 5% higher. Alcohol carries flavor, so the longer the beer is in the barrel, it's kind of just sitting with all the ingredients. The yeast is constantly bringing out the alcohol, which can easily bring out the extra flavors. And it's been said that they call it Imperial because they wanted to have beer higher in alcohol to satisfy the Imperial court in Russia. So if you have an IPA, it might be like at 7%. This will bring it up to maybe 10%. Though I have noticed that IPAs have recently been calling their beers not Imperial, but a double IPA or a triple IPA. There is no, pope that says, oh, all beers have to be Imperial if they're this high. All breweries can kind of call it whatever they want. So all mean the same thing, higher alcohol. I love an Imperial ale when I don't want to keep getting up to get drinks. I want to kind of sit down at like a campfire and just like enjoy just good conversations. To me, that's the best time to have an Imperial IPA, Imperial Stout, Imperial Sour, because it kind of brings this different energy to me and just really just increases the flavors. Though, a word of caution, these beers do creep up on you, so you do need to be careful. Assume that one Imperial beer is equivalent to 2 regular beers. Now, if all this intensity kind of scares you with all the flavor and just like higher alcohol, definitely check out Sessions, which is kind of the opposite of Imperials. It's like a little lower than your normal beer, and it ends up being a little more lighter and refreshing. But when you're on the hunt for something a little more extra with more alcohol, be on the lookout for the word Imperials with your beer to bring that extra punch.